Here we go. We're going for the last stretch of the day. There's Ewan. Ewan's doing. Nick's quick. And some of the others are still mounting. There's a couple couples. I think there was 3 couples, but we're down to 2 couples now. Yeah, Nick Quick's nodding, that's right. 2 couples. Couple 1. And then the best looking couple in leather back there. RS 600. There's Hammer. GS 700. There's Cheryl, I worked out her name, the African lady. 600. Tail end. Tail end's waiting for the best looking couple. And here's the other brown 700 GS. A couple of those today. Here we go. Best lookers. The GS Adventure 6. Tail end. And we're off. Tail end's letting me in. Good man. Let's see where all this leads us now, eh? Oh, that way is it? Oh, okay. There's the camera lady. Right back at you with my camera. Second best, sorry, you get second best looking. Yeah, the leather did it. The all black and the leather did it, but yeah, nah, well, look, it's a hard call because that bike they're on too is cool. It's all black. It's an R1200 all black and pretty cool looking too. I think if they'd gone a bit better on the jackets, something a bit more classic to suit the bike, yeah, alright, then they'd be in there. But because of that, the other GS couple here in front of me with the leathers, they win the couples tournament of best looking on bike for sure. Oh, they're behind me. Oh, look at that. They're right behind me. And the helmets, you see, the helmets have got to be the right colours. See, the other guys have got 2 black helmets. They're all black. And the couple behind me, they've got a bit of a mixed colour thing going. The bike's cool, but the gear's got to come up to par, you know, to look all pretty flash. You know, it just depends how far you want to take it, you know. That's what it's all about. How far do you want to take the look, you know? How far do you want to commit yourself, you know? That's the question. There they are, there's the couple out front. GS couple. Nice scenery from up here, that's for sure. Stopping here. Why stop? stopping here? No reason to be stopping there. Oh, I remember this road. Oh, cool. This road. What is it? Heidelberg-Kinglake Road. That's what it is. This is so picturesque, this. Heidelberg-Kinglake Road. Alright, settle in, dip the bike, get it over. Lock it in, Eddie. Heidelberg-Kinglake Road. Estimated time arrival at home is 4:10. Alright, not bad. What time is it now? 3:10. So home's an hour away. That's not too bad. How's my battery going? Battery's lasting too. The battery on the GoPro Hero 5 is better than the Session. Lasts longer. Much better. Let me get footage of the couple behind me, eh? I'm going to wave them through and then I'll get footage of the couple behind me. Let's see if I can wave them through. Wave them through here. Yeah, good, there you go. See? There you go. Yeah, so they got a nice bike. They got the R. Brand new R12. Pretty nice. They got the black gear on. Actually, their gear's not bad. I'm being critical now. I'm just, I'm trying to rate the couples. It's good to see the couples out and about. I like that. We've got 2 couples today. That's great. But so the gear's not bad. I think it's the helmets that are throwing me off. But yeah, they're going individual helmets. Like individually styled helmets. That's where they're going. And I know a lot of people do that. They go individually styled helmets. But I don't agree with that. It's just, you got to go with what your bike is. You got to match that up. I know people go with all these gimmicky helmets and logos and pictures of stuff. And I'm the skull helmet or I'm the money helmet or something like that, Fact. Took me by surprise, eh? And, oh, sorry, apologies for the swearing. It's not appropriate. Not appropriate at all. It's a family show. And, so if they had, like, double black tint helmets, I reckon they'd be in the money for best looking couple on the bike. Pretty close. But yeah, that is a cool bike. Whoa, that's fun. These corners are fun, I tell you. I'll go in third, I reckon. Third holds the bike better. No, fourth. Oh, you can go in third when you get there. When you get there, hey? Heidelberg-Kinglake Road. That's where we are. 9 minutes on the counter. Righto, mate. Yeah, get a slot of that. House on the prairie up there. Yeah, I reckon that's right. Let's stand up and stretch our legs, eh? Let's get a bit of a stretch in there, yeah? Let's get a stretch in there, yeah? Let's stand up and stretch it. Stretch it once, stretch it twice, stand up and get it right. It's a slow situation. Overly careful situation. Alright, Nick, wait for me, Nick. I want you to. Nick, quick. Nick, quick. Nick, quick. Oh, Nick's lost it. Back at you, Nick. Back in the thick of it. Back in the thick of it with Nick quick. Oh, I'm back with the best looking couple. With more cars. Now we're on Main Road. Main Road. Now we've got a South African lady here. Oh, we're turning, are we? Oh, that's interesting. Turning. It's different. Turning. Where's this gonna take us? Put the traction back. Where's my video at? Do another video. Alright, video back.